There is one thing that the consumers and clients love more than the product itself. It is the experience and the service of the producer making them. Clients love to get involved in the design and thought process of the project. Gone are the days where we designers communicate to clients only verbally through printed materials to showcase our designs or build a model for them to have a better sense of scale. Virtual reality is the future of making things. Designers now can create a 3D world to showcase their design through the use of softwares such as the Autodesk Stingray game engine. The VR experience draws them into the 3D world itself, and you are in the presence of the future, waiting to be built. Paper printing and production time is cut less, efficiency and client communication goes up. Arcadis does not only pride itself in delivering a superb product for our clients, but we also give the best service for their money's worth. Together, we at Arcadis can make the future a reality for our clients, right here and right now.